Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, I wanted to talk to you today about the ATM business. And this particular video is from my series, actually my product, which is the ATM Mogul product. And that this training here is going to teach you a little bit more about the ATM machine business, where you open, where you own your own ATMs, and a lot more. It's a huge a lot of information, but I wanted just to kind of open your eyes to it. So I wanted to release this video to you for free. If you want to get on a coaching call with me and get some consultation about the ATM business, you could contact me at theposterpreneur@gmail.com, and then we can set something up for you. But without further ado, here's the video. Hi, welcome back to the next portion of the training. This module, we're going to talk about transaction limits. When you approach the bank or other financial institution, when you are opening your account, there will be a limit to the transactions, because they're going to have certain packages where they'll have 100 transactions a day, 200 transactions a day, 300 transactions a day. Okay, and you may be panicking because you're thinking to yourself, wait a minute, if 100 people use my ATM, then I've already gone over my limit that day, okay? Or something like that. So to keep the cost down and to have this explained to you properly, let me explain to you, I'll give you kind of a average, okay, of what I've seen from the many banks and financial institutions that I've been to when I spoke to the bank managers directly. Let me show you what you would usually see. So your entry-level business account would have approximately like 200 transactions per day that you can process, okay? Now, the way that the ATM transactions work with our business, with the ATM business, is our transactions are only going to come one time a day, okay? So the most you would see are, let's say, 31, because the months with the most days are 31 plus 1. Okay, so that's going to be 32. Okay, so the 31 are going to be the transactions that the customers that are using the ATM, those transactions get compiled one time and sent over to the bank, to your business account, okay? So that's one transaction, that's 31. Now the plus 1 is the extra additional transaction from the distributor to your bank account to pay you the collected fees and additional extra transaction fees, okay? So there's an additional fee like the interchange fee. So that fee, that's done once. You're paid once a month from that, okay? From that. So you're going to get, again, the fees that are coming through. You're going to get the fees that are you're going to get the money transactions that are coming through, okay? Plus additional fees and stuff from the distributor one time a month. So that's 32 transactions. So as you can see, we haven't even hit close to 200 yet, okay, for the average. So when you go into the bank and you see you've passed the first hurdle and they start opening your account and they say, well, which kind of account would you like to open? Would you like to open, our Premier, our Gold, our Platinum Standard, and our, you don't need to go to the deep end and pay all those extra fees per month, because you're only going to see around a 32 at the max for your transactions, okay? So that's a question a lot of students ask, and I wanted to cover it before I move further into the bank portion of the training. And that's it for this particular training. Please take notes, and I'll see you in the next training. All right, if you see me right now, that means that you made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video. And I just wanted to add that if you wanted a little bit more information about my training, you can go ahead and click on one of the videos in the that was one of the cards in the entire video, or go to my channel, The Posterpreneur, and there is a complete playlist about ATM, the ATM business and how it works and things of that nature. So just get yourself educated. If it's something that you want to learn a little bit more about, you can get a free one-on-one coaching consultation call with me, a free 20-minute one-on-one consultation coaching call with me. Just click on the email link below. It's at theposterpreneur@gmail.com. And then in their request, say, hi, I would like to get a free coaching call. And then I'll send you an email and we'll set up a free coaching call through Skype or Zoom or something of that nature. Now, after we do the coaching call, you could just decide what you want to do from there. But I'm also going to be offering a couple of more little tidbits for you. So stay tuned to the channel and subscribe, and see you in the next video.